And now to a story here in South Florida. The tech world is in Miami Beach right now for Emerge America's conference. In just a couple of minutes, the mayor of Miami-Dade County will be announcing a new tool for residents. It's an app on your phone that's intended to help citizens report criminal and suspicious activity. And joining me now from Miami Beach, ahead of his big announcement, is the mayor of Miami-Dade County, Carlos Jimenez. Mayor, good to see you.
Good seeing you too. How are you doing?
Tell me, good, thanks. Tell me a little bit about what you're hoping to accomplish with this sort of crime-fighting app.
Well, you know, we're used to having people interact with each other through social media, Facebook, Twitter all the time. Now we need our citizens to interact with us to keep our community safe. And this application is the first step in that. We are launching it actually in the summer, but we're here to announce it because we're going to need some volunteers to do the beta testing. Basically what it does, it allows our citizens to be a Community on Patrol app. It's called COPA. They can download it, and with that they can give us tips. They can download video, information, even commend a police officer. And so all of this will be rolled into one application that all the citizens of Miami-Dade County can download. You know, we're looking for 2.6 million of our residents to help our police department keep ourselves safe. And so, you know, we put a lot of things on police, but they can't do it all. And in order for us to be a safer community, we need participation of our citizens, and that's exactly what we're doing.
And Mayor, how is it going to work? I mean, who's going to get all this information? How is that information going to be filtered? And how is it that you're going to be able to determine what is a real good report and maybe something that is exaggerated or not at all existent? Because, you know, this is potentially very, very helpful for a lot of people.
Yes, it is. And so that's why we're going to start to walk before we run. We need a testing period. We need volunteers to help us. And so we're going to start out with our own employees in Miami-Dade County, and then a group of volunteers from around the county. And so as we start to get the information, how do we filter it? How do we make sure that we react to information that is more serious in nature and put the frivolous stuff kind of to the side? So those are the things that we need to do to test the application, and that's why we're here to ask for volunteers. But once we get that down and we know how the filters work and how the application should work, then we'll launch it sometime in the summer, again with various applications or various products inside the application. And eventually we will enhance the effectiveness of the application by adding more and more layers to it, so that it gets to do what we eventually want it to do, which is really keep ourselves safe, and we need our community to do that.
Miami-Dade Mayor Carlos Jimenez, thank you for being with me on The Rundown. Appreciate it.
I appreciate it being here.